This is a Japanese microwave from Japan. Let me explain you how this shit works. The star is if you're feeling happy, you press that one. The forks, if you want to put some forks in there, you gotta put this one. This one is for ice cream. This one for coffee. This one for flan. This one for cheesecake. This one for you want to toast the bread. And then this one, a microwave. You can put a microwave inside the microwave. And this is Mitsubishi. Instructions. Yeah, comes with a plate. And it has metal in it. So you can actually put metal in there. You want to cook a pie, cake. Jam. Boom. We're gonna try it out, so just so you know that it works. Okay, so what we got in there? Burrito? We got a burrito. We're gonna try it out. Motherfucker got a little smiley face right there.
The fuck we cooking?
There you go. 500 watts. And then some Chinese timer. The numbers. Should be 2 minutes. That's what it means. There you go. Should be done. Is it hot?
Sheesh.
Is it hot?
Oh, it's hot. Oh yeah, that's definitely hot.
That's hot.
That shit is hot. How long did that take? That was like 30 seconds. And that was a